Now, I hope y'all really appreciate, and I hope you guys take these videos and clips that I'm giving you and I'm dropping you about Watersportscar in Miami. All right, I'm not doing this shit to be spiteful. I'm doing it because one, Denis fucked me over. But two, he had me fooled. He really did. The conversation that he and I had in person and over the phone, he seemed to have been a very genuine person, someone that I thought was gonna do, well by the people because of him, quote unquote, owning the #1 concierge service in Miami for over 20 plus years. So I took that, right? But I feel some type of way because that man sat in my fucking face and just lied to me. Bold faced lie. He really had me thinking that, hey, Yamaha actually is going to give this guy a shot because he's buying so many engines that they're going to allow him to become an authorized dealer. But, me being excited, me trying to, get to it, he got me. He got me. But now as a leader within the boat industry, it is my duty to ensure that you guys are kept up to speed as to what's going on. Now, I'm not saying that the price is wrong or anything like that. What I'm saying is he should have been honest. Just like I said, like you'll hear in the video. For me, I questioned him about, well, what about the warranty on the engine? Because once you take the engine out of a jet ski, it voids it. But he assured me that he had a contract with Yamaha. And for me, personally, as long as the engine was legitimately new, I had no worry because I know how to operate on jet skis. And I told him that I was going to make that very transparent with my customers if they decided to move forward with it. But I'm glad it didn't get to that. I'm glad I actually didn't sell any of these cars to anyone. So, everything happens for a reason. Now, the cars that you guys have been recently hearing me speak about, those actually have outboard engines, all right? No one else in the United States have these, all right? I'm the only authorized dealer to sell these. So, the gentleman that Denis once was doing business with, he's no longer doing business with him. Everything happened for a reason, so that's why you still see me smiling and all of that, because now I'm in position to ensure people don't get fucked over. Now I sit at the table to help modify these things and ensure that they're really legitimately getting warranties and the customer is going to be happy. All right. So that's why I'm airing this dude out, man. So I want you to listen to Yamaha as I speak to the young lady and tell her about Denis. And on top of that, this was called one of two because I wanted to make sure I did it more than once so that you guys can hear. All right, one person said it, that it still may not be true. And I might even follow up with a third call. But here's the call. It's about 6 minutes. Again, I hope you enjoy it. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And absolutely share this video out. Tag Watersportscar. Tell all of your friends, tell your family, post on all your social media so that we can stop people from buying from Denis. All right, he's told me he's sold over 100 cars every month. And if he's selling them at that fast pace, we need to hurry up and put a halt to it. All right, so here's the video. Here's the call.
Thank you for calling Yamaha. This is Mackenzie. Can I get your first and last name, please?
Rashad Crossing.
Thank you. And what's a good phone number for you?
202
for you today?
Hey, Mackenzie, I'm actually just calling for some clarification and information. There is a company in Miami, Florida, who are selling water jet cars. Are you familiar with those?
I believe I've seen them, yes, sir.
Okay, so they are advertising and promoting that these cars have warranties through you all. And I've been in the industry for quite some time now, and from what I understand, if someone were to take an engine out of you guys' product, being a jet ski, placing the engine into another product that did not come from you all, that it voids the warranty. Is that correct?
Essentially. So, first off, these water sport jet cars that you're referring to, they, in general, they don't have any warranty through us.
Okay.
That's not a product of ours. That's not something that we work with. So that, they do not have any warranty through us at all.
Right. But I just to, again, about the engine, because they are pushing the 1.9 SVHOs, and again, from my expertise and my understanding, I'm not able to buy a jet ski from you all, remove the engine and place it into one of those cars, and if something were to happen with the engine, you guys would cover it.
Yes, correct. So that wouldn't be covered. If you were to take up the engine and put it into one of those units, and something were to happen, that's not going to be covered, because that's not how our engine was designed to be used with those other components in that unit.
Okay. All right. Well, I greatly appreciate it. I just wanted to, now, is there a department that I should speak with or email to let them know? Because this guy is actually promoting that he has a contract with you all, stating that he's able to purchase and sell. So he, even with me, when I went in, which was a red flag for me, and met the guy, he was telling me, oh, I'm waiting for a contract with Yamaha right now, so that we can buy 50 engines a month, and then we'll be able to service them and put in warranties.
Yeah, I can. So I'll go ahead and document the call as well, as far as what's happening, and then I can give you an email that you're actually more than welcome. You can provide all of that information as far as like what was going on, the company's name. Do you know what the name of the company is?
Yes. Well, the first name was Lux Jet Car, LUX Jet Car, and then they changed the name to Watersportscar. And if you actually go onto their website, you can see exactly what I'm talking about right now, as to how they are promoting that the Yamaha 1.9 SVHO are covered through you all. So, and go ahead. I'm sorry.
No, you're good. I was just saying, yeah, I can definitely document that, and then if you'd like, I'll give you the email that you can just kind of provide that information to, as far as like in your personal writing.
Okay. I'm ready.
So
I'm ready when you are.
get that listed too.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
All right, the email is going to be M as in Mike, C as in Charlie, S as in Sam, at Yamaha dash, like a minus sign, motor.com.
Okay. Is there any way that, I mean, of course we have to wait until this goes up the chain, but I want to ensure, because I'm a mentor, I am a leader within the industry, and I've actually been working with you all for many years, so I knew what he was pushing wasn't true. But it's gotten to the point to now this guy is selling these cars to the public, and people not knowing any better, they're going to pay him 75, 80 grand in hopes of having that warranty back in him. And we need to put a stop to it. So I would like to have this escalated as fast as possible, so that we can have some cease and desist letters sent out to him, and we can save some people from losing money.
Yes, sir. No, I completely understand. I'll definitely bring this to the attention
Okay.
that would need to look into this.
All right, and I'll be sure to put my personal phone number there so that you guys can reach out to me. I can get you whatever information that you all need. I greatly appreciate the phone call.
Yes, sir. Thank you. We appreciate the information.
All right, bye-bye.